Hello guys, mag-ano pala kami ngayon. Magba-barbecue kami guys kasi super init sa labas. Tsaka parang ang sarap mag-barbecue guys no kapag summer. So, ganito ko sa mga kebab, mga ganito na ganito, barbecue na siya. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-marinate. Ganun. So, ito lang, konti lang naman. Kasi tatlo naman kami kakain. At saka, ito naman talaga kami yung palakain ng mga ganito. Chicken, hindi ko masyado. So, yan. Ito, tatlong ano lang. Yan. So, habang nag-antay ako dun sa ano ni Mister, nag-ano ako dito guys. Nagkukuskus ng sahig. Kasi nga, ang dumi. Hindi na ano ba? Hindi na kuskusan ba? So, yan. Ako na dito. Dapat ano lang tayo dito sa ano pa-fresh lang dito sa sahig. Kasi nga ang dumi. Sticky. Can feel it. Yung itim na ano. Ito yung ginagamit ko na panglinis sa floor. Kasi disposable siya, hindi na kailangan labhan. Tapon mo na lang after nagamit. Nasik yung sa labas. So dito, freshen ko siya dito. You want me to take now outside? Commit no now. Wait, I need to commit this.
Donald Trump approves plans to attack Iran, according to US reports, but there is no decision yet on whether to strike. On the ground on this, the seventh day, an Iranian missile strike damages a hospital in Israel, and Israel continues to mock Iran's nuclear sites. Gaza Civil Defense Agency says at least 77 people have been killed in Israeli strikes, including 23 people near aid distribution sites. A PhD student raping and drugging 10 women in London and Ireland is sentenced to life in jail with a minimum term of 24 years. And though for Alzheimer's patients, 2 new drugs that can slow the disease are deemed too expensive for the NHS.
I'm not sure.
No?
Down here. So, labas tayo, guys. Mag-barbecue kami. Someone's trying to talk to me, but I never talk back. So, may mga labahan pa pala ako dito. Hindi ko pa na anong pasa pa kasi siya. Dito muna tayo, guys. Si Mr. ang mag-barbecue today. So, init. Grabing init. I think, it's like 29 degree, 83 degree ang init. Super. So, yung binili namin na na pang barbecue is yung, lang siya, disposable lang siya din. Ayan sa likod, yung makulit, oh. Where you put stone? So cute yung barbecue. So you got chicken and beef, you have lamb. Slice natin itong bread, guys, kasi kainin natin sa labas. Yung barbecue natin sa labas. So, doon tayo kakain sa labas, guys, no? Ito yung hapunan namin. Lagyan ko na ng butter. Slice natin. Shucks, very hard. Lilinis ko lang dito, baka vacuum ko lang.
Welcoming signs from would-be hosts in other cities. Stories of compassion, free food, services, and accommodation to Israel and Australia. Anxiety is immense, especially for Iranians worrying about
Tapos, lagyan natin ng butter. Nakita niyo ba dyan, guys? Nilagyan ko kayo dito para makita niyo lang.
here, not hold her tears back. Worry stems from potential harm or death in the Israeli attack. Some still feel moments of impact.
Ito yung pares namin sa barbecue. Bread.
Iran's government blames Israel's cyber attacks for internet slowdowns. Financial institutions have been targeted. This is Iran's state TV broadcast, interrupted yesterday with a 10-minute propaganda video by Israel.
Hawak talaga yung mga natamaan sa ano ba.
Urges the non-native
Yung
voice.
sa balita, guys, no? Sa ibang bansa ba, nag-aaway.
Music for
Hawak ang mga bata ba?
who try to stay strong and supportive. Siya Shahzam, BBC News.
Well, here the Prime Minister suggests the de-escalation in this conflict, urging Donald Trump to step back from military action against Iran. The Foreign Secretary David Lammy has travelled to Washington to meet the US top diplomat Marco Rubio. In a moment, we'll talk to our North American
Minsan na kasi nagbabarbecue dito, nagbabarbecue mga tao dito, guys, pag ano lang.
grammatical school
Pag summer, doon na nagbabarbecue kasi
now in Westminster.
yun na talaga magandang klima ba.
Dragged into
Certainly there is pressure on all sides on the Prime Minister. Of course, for a Labour Prime Minister, memories back to 2003.
So dito ko nailagay yung ano, dito ko nailagay yung bread.
Then regional concerns was about weapons of mass destruction following the US into a war in the Middle East. How concerned you have some of the Labour parties quiet about that? You have
Hindi natin vacuum ko lang dito.
not follow the US into what they have called another illegal war. You have MPs, there must be a vote in Parliament. You have Conservatives saying
Yung ano ko ba yung...
back to the US and be prepared to be involved.
Sinsya na kayo, guys, tapos ginubukat ko parati, ginagano ko parati yung underwear kasi nga ano siya. Medyo malaki yung nabili ko ba na pregnancy na underwear. So medyo maano sa akin, manuwang. Can you take your juice, please, outside? No, why are you taking it here? We're gonna use that outside. No, the juice. Ano yung barbecue natin, oh. Kunti lang naman na barbecue namin kasi kami lang naman kakain. Yan lang. Yung iba nakain na. Hmm. Mag-juice tayo dito. Ay! May music pala ako dito, guys. Wala na. May music. Useless lang palang vlog ko music. I forgot. Hello, guys! Hello, good morning, guys! Good morning sa inyong lahat! So, dito pala ako sa room ni Christian kasi bibihisan ko siya, guys, kasi punta na siya ng school. So, mag-PPE uniforms na today. Bihisan natin siya. Yeah, it's going to school now, my love. Saan kayo lagay? O, dito na siguro. Dito na kayo lagay sa... In the night has come. In the night. I can't find the ano ah. I can't find the... King socks. Where's your socks, King, the black? You got black socks. I cannot find these black socks. Let me see. Maybe downstairs. Ay, you got downstairs, man. Black socks. Yeah, baby. Na. Right, let's change your clothes now. Okay. Then, it's like, wait, it's big. You see? Is it fine? You alright? Is it with iron? No, let me see if it's with iron. Yeah. You can iron. No, that's fine. So, yeah, guys, nabisa na natin si Christian. So, bababa na kami. Bababa na tayo, guys. Tapos, pakainin ng breakfast itong si Dudong Christian. Oy! What's in there? What's in there? Yeah. Pakainin ko siya ng breakfast. Tapos, punta tayo ng school. So, ako nakabis na rin ako, guys. Ito lang yung damit na susutin ko. Kasi I feel na, parang feel ko yun. Malaki talaga ng baby, guys, oh. So, yeah, see you next month, baby. Next month pa tayo due, guys. July pa tayo due. So, yun nga minsan, guys, itong tiyan ko talaga, tumitigas talaga siya. Tumitigas siya. Pero at least, na lang ba? Malapit na yung due natin, so. Maano na natin si baby. Makikita na natin si baby girl.
What's the second one?
Which other one?
That one.
Ah, okay. Inside the yellow bag. We're going down there.
Where's the bug?
Nahanap niya yung jacket. Tama niya na ano. Yeah. Let's go down. Let's go down, King. Turn off the please, the electric fan. you go. Let's go down. Lagay ko muna itong damit dito sa ano. Wait, King. Lagay ko muna itong damit dito sa... Dami akong bit-bit, oy. Dito sa ano, sa labahan. Wait. Sa baba ko tapon itong napi. Kasi nga, puno na itong basurahan dito sa tatapon na lang. Christian, you forgot the water bottle to throw away in the bin. No, you don't want it. Ayaw niya. Bit-bit, guys. Ayan. Mga gitara, ang bit-bit, pababa. Oh. Okay na, go down na. Slowly. So today is Friday, last day of school, guys, no? Kaya, ay, makapagpahinga tayo ng 2 days na hindi tayo pupunta ng school, hindi tayo maghahatid, which is good for me. Yun talagang gusto-gusto ko, guys. Minsan, yung sa bahay lang ba, nakastock, hindi na lalabas ng morning, hindi na maglakad-lakad. Pero which is good naman sana talagang lalabas at maglakad kasi nga, it's, it's exercise sa akin, guys, ba, no? Kasi kailangan ko talaga ng maraming exercise para mabilis lumabas si baby. So, what do you want to eat, my love?
What is it? What is it?
Yaw siya. What are you looking for?
That one.
The jacket. But it's cold. Ay, it's hot. You gonna wear them?
Yeah, what then?
It's here.
What?
Hindi yun na ba?
What that?
But it's hot.
No, what that? What that guy in the back?
It's hot, oil. Ito yung hinahanap niya, oh. Talaga si King gulo. Ito yung hinahanap niya, guys, oh. Yan. Yan. You want to use that? It's very hot. It's very hot. Are you serious, Christian?
Yes, I'm not hot.
It's very hot outside.
Hot.
See?
Cold.
Are you cold?
Yeah. Cold. Cold. Cold.
Okay.
Cold. Cold. Cold.
So you like that? Nice, now?
Yeah.
Show to guys.
Oh.
Nice, wow. Kunting ano lang. Kunting ketchup sa paglinis. Tapos, what's that? You want me to close it?
No!
Ano manage?
Yeah.
Oh, don't close it. It's not very hard. I don't know why you're using that anyway.
Actually, here. Actually, now.
Mommy gonna step there?
No. Actually, here.
You?
Yeah.
Right, what do you want to eat? Wait, where's the socks pala? You forgot the socks. Hindi niya kayo makita dun, guys. Doon kami sa kabila. Socks na. Meron.
Yeah, here. Get here.
Wait lang. Very far.
What the heck? You know what game?
What's it?
You get me.
You're hot? Right, sit down here
I'm
now.
cold.
Tayo.